He washed the car. He washed and detailed the car to make up for scratching the rims. Wow. He said there's a surprise for you in the garage. And that is a big surprise. How lovely. It is quite early. It is about 5 to 7. And I'm heading to upload yesterday's vlog. Straight away at the offices, I have to pick up a few things. And I wanted to just do that before the house got going. But Mussie's just been still really sick, and I think I'm gonna have to take him to the doctor because he's not sick, so like he's not listless or anything, but he's just still got diarrhea, so it's not good after 3-4 days. So I'll take him to the doctor, but I'm just going to upload. I'm letting you know. Large skinny latte with 1 sugar, please.
Absolutely.
Oh my god, you guys are open. Awesome.
Giving the people what they want. Skinny latte with sugar. What else? Thank you, hon. Thank you.
And what's that?
I just wanted to mention this. I did get asked about this drag-on strap for your keys, and should you invest in it for a starter piece. And my response to my subby, hey love, was that I said probably not. This is pricey, guys, like pricey. We're talking 375 Australian dollars, or I think it is, maybe it's gone up, for this key, for the drag-on. You can put that towards, you know, saving up for an Everfull or a Speedy or another type of bag, and, you know, you're a quarter of the way there. I don't believe, I think I've definitely changed my mind over the last probably 5 years in saying starter pieces don't have to be small. Because when you think about it, you're a quarter or an eighth of the way there. Just keep saving. When I heard the price of this, when I first saw it, I was quite shocked. You know, Serena saw that. I was quite shocked. So yeah, my recommendation to anyone thinking about, you know, these sort of charms or key charms as starter pieces is save your money, guys. These are pricey.
This is my bestie. This is Robbie.
I'm Robbie from Melbourne.
And we grew up together.
Isn't it?
It's Robbie.
It's Robbie. You grew up together?
We grew up together in Melbourne, and we've remained bestie friends ever for life.
Yep. Oh, that's a nice kiss. Oh.
Kiss,
Oh,
kiss.
oh, oh. Oh,
Yay.
maybe wash your mouth with the diet. Maybe that wasn't a good idea.
Yeah.
Yay.
Look at the sunshine out here.
Oh no. No, mum, there's a weight restriction. Sorry to tell you.
What is it, 7 kilos? We're going to put the 70 before the 7.
Alright, I'm not sure what it is.
Hop on.
You can do it.
Robbie's coming.
You know how to do it.
Yay!
Yay! Push.
Go.
Look at him, look at him. Push. Push.
Ready? Push. Okay. Good job.
And then the chef in here, my chef is preparing some fruit and some. Robbie eats orange quarters and wheat bix. And what are you preparing?
I've got some poached eggs for you and Gillian.
Oh, where's
Some,
yours?
Pumpkin. I'm having some cereal.
Oh, wow.
And I'm having some cereal with toast. And this is my macadamia nut.
Oh, yeah, that we got yesterday. So that Brook Farm. So that's what we got yesterday. It's lovely.
Maybe it looks so delicious.
Mussy started some egg.
With just a poached egg.
One poached egg.
One poached egg.
Oh,
That would
wow.
be delicious.
Look at
Thank
that.
you so
Well, maybe make one for yourself too.
I think we're a bit, he's clever, but we're a bit advanced here. I think this might need to go in the cupboard.
Look,
That's
Robbie
why I
got
think
you
we have something.
a present for Mussy. We're very good at opening presents.
Can we do it? Look at that. Oh, I'll tell you what. Let's do this. You pull. No, it's going to pull this. Then we're going to do this, and then look at the stars.
Mussy, what's on there?
Stars. And then you pull that. Pull. Yes.
Oh, yep.
Yep.
Discard.
Give us this. I'll give it.
Oh, Mussy, what's that?
That's
What's that?
it's a.
Look on this.
There, the
Lion.
It does say on it 3. Shit. But we might put that one away. But this, I think, I think you can use straight away. That's why we
he
did.
might like
So
that
we pull, and we do that. Now you open this. Open. Can you open it? Maybe you've got one, but.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Wow. Oh, cool. No.
Push it along.
Oh, cool. Did you say thank you? Kisses. Give it kisses. Kisses. Say thank you. Say thank you, Robbie. Kisses. Good boy.
I think this one might go.
Oh, I think we'll like this one though. No, it's okay.
It says.
What's this?
What does it say?
Lion.
2 plus 2.
That's okay. You'll be able to do it.
A little bit advanced, I think, but he'll certainly go.
Elephant. This is elephant.
Cute.
Oh, he's touching the numbers. Yeah, 6.
Lion.
Lion. What does a lion do?
Wow.
Growl. Good boy. Nana Rob's never gonna. Robbie has 4 grandchildren of her own, and they call her Nana Rob. They're teenagers now, but they call her Nana Rob. So that's where Nana Jill's got her. Oh, Nana Rob, you are setting yourself up.
And what's that? That's a bird. 4 skis swooshing down the slope. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's a wolf. What does a wolf do? Oh! Oh! Yeah. 6 canoes gliding across the lake.
I love how he watches these.
Look at all these canoes gliding across the lake. 7 hockey players skating on the pond. Look at that little birdie. There's a little birdie there. Does an owl do? There's a wolf.
Good one.
Oh!
You make the best noises, Will.
And she looks blooming on Parliament Street. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yay!
Good job.
Here on the lovely patio is Jill's and Robbie, and this is Eugene.
Hi there.
Eugene, hi there. Eugene is our, let's call him our master builder. I think that's what you're, our master carpenter.
Inappropriate, but yes.
What do you call? Give my.
Shop fitter / joiner.
Oh, that sounds so. Okay, look. Basically, Eugene does all the amazing joinery in most of our properties, actually. In our restaurants and apartments and homes, and this is all his junk that he left at our house. No, it's not junk. This is beautiful. Actually, I didn't really want to give it back, but if you want to have it, are you going to take your boat?
So am I taking that to the boat?
No, are you going to take your little boat?
No, which boat? No, you can have the boat.
No, you can have it. He wants to hang it in the garage, thinking it's some like cool thing. I almost hit it with the car every time. You can take. You can. Yeah, he wanted to hang it, thinking it was very like boaty.
What happened to the mirror?
Oh, my little beast. What happened to the mirror? What mirror?
Oh, this mirror.
What's that be?
I wrecked the place. I was in the bathroom.
Yeah, Robbie smashed it.
Either I brushed it and something, it came crashing down.
Do you want to see yourself? Hello.
I did.
Hi, guys. Do you want to put your shoes on?
I did. Oh.
Are you telling a story?
Okay.
Oh, okay. Here. Let's put your pants on. Come on. Can you come and put your trousers on? Quick.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no. Okay, come on, put your pants on. Oh, are you pushing buttons? Button. Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi. Good boy. Hi guys. Okay. Oh. Okay. You press it. You press it. Want to show everyone your outfit? Alright. This is your country road shirt. We're showing a little bit of chest. Shirt. Say shirt. Country road shirt. He even takes the trash out with his stinky poos in it. Thanks, mate. That's super helpful. Oh, smushing it. Hope it doesn't burst. Okay. Alright. Do you want to give it to me now? Uh-oh. Where's it gonna go? We have to put it in the bin. Okay. Thanks, guys. Okay, finish. Are you gonna wear your hat to Nana's house? Okay, let's wear your hat. She's getting the names confused as well. Oh, that's so gorgeous. So I just bought Mussy to come for a walk with Robbie and Mum and Quincy. And he's obsessed with holding Quincy. Oh my gosh. Airplane.
Poor Quincy.
Oh, Quincy. Where's the airplane? Did you hear it?
Did you see?
Oh, see, there's a car. Airplane, yeah. See, there's a car.
Between the dog, the lead, and him and the cars.
Oh my God.
Occupation.
Yep.
And I'm scared he'll run off. Okay.
Oh, okay. Oh.
You
That takes the strain out of the lift, Mussy. Thank you.
Can you
That's
turn
clever, darling.
Well done.
Good job.
Could you just stop for a second?
Oh, hardly.
Hello.
Mercy.
Hello.
Say cheese. Cheese. He's in a trance. Good boy, Jay. This is where hubby comes to see me and looks for his son. See? Not happy to see me. Not
my son.
Not happy to see me, are you?
I'm very happy to see you.
Sure.
I am.
Sure.
I can see you all the time. I just need to go to Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. What else?
People thought you were funny in yesterday's vlog.
Sorry?
People thought you were funny in yesterday's vlog.
What was I doing in yesterday's
He
vlog?
gave you 5 points of how to handle a YouTube wife. I should do 5 points of a YouTube wife's husband who doesn't understand that pretty much everything goes on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was a very private person.
Once upon a
moon. Once upon a moon.
So, do you guys want to see a husband tag with this man? Let us know in the comments below.
Not very interesting.
A yes or a no. You don't even know what it is.
Husband tag is when you answer questions.
So why would that not make you interesting? Why? It's pre-made questions.
Interesting.
You don't talk about yourself.
Oh. How about,
Answer in the comments below.
enough about me. What do you think about me?
Answer in the comments below. Yes or no, do you guys want to see a husband tag? So rude. Always shuts the door on me or hangs up the phone.
We're missing something in here.
What? 5 other kids?
Like a baby boy. Where is he?
Oh yeah, he's with my mum. Everybody asks now in life. Hi Jerusha, where's Mercy?
Where's Mercy? Yeah.
Straight away, that's the first thing they all say.
He's so engaging though, you
He's
know
a
what
good
I mean?
kid. He's a good kid.
He is a
For
great
20
kid.
months, he's so engaging. He's
Yeah.
one of those kids that, you know, how you see kids on the road, you're like, oh.
I know, they have to.
Yeah.
No, and he likes the girls too, doesn't he?
He loves girls.
He loves
oh
girls.
my god, we saw your wife came in the building the other day and he was just like, hi. Yeah, I was like, yes, Mercy. Get in there.
To drive up to the farm. I was looking at that white leather on the inside. And jump on one of the tractors or something. 12 years time. When you're done with it, you know, like in 12 years time.
12 years time?
Won't you meant to get 10 years?
Yeah, 12 years time.
There you go.
Yes.
It's going to look awesome in 12 years.
12 years time? I meant to trade it every 3 years. You're gonna upgrade me to the Vogue in 3 years.
No, I'm not, Baba.
Retirement is very, very far away.
You're like 20 years old, Mr. Retirement. Seriously.
I want to retire.
Why? I need petrol. I need petrol.
You don't have to.
I want you to fill this car up with petrol.
No, I'm not doing it here, that's for sure.
Okay. Why? Why are they expensive?
Because it is so slow.
Oh.
I went to fill my truck yesterday afternoon before I was coming home.
At Caltex.
Before I came home.
At Caltex. This Caltex.
Is this a Caltex? No,
Woolworths
it's not.
Caltex down
Woolworths
there. It's got the fast flow.
Oh, the other one?
Yeah, it's got fast
I'll
flow.
go to, no.
Okay, I am ending the vlog here. Is there anything you would like to tell the vlog today?
Thank you for watching. Peace.